What's up to my friends on YouTube? In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a group chat on Twitter and also going over some of the functions of a group chat and exactly what you need to do to operate a group chat correctly. So, of course, the first step to doing anything on Twitter is to just launch the Twitter app open, and then you're going to click the little mail icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen here, and it's going to take you to all your messages. You might already be familiar with this screen, but you might not necessarily know how to create a group chat, and that's what I'm going to show you here. Right above the mail icon is actually sort of a draft node, and you're going to click on that, and it's going to come up with this menu here where you could start to search for names. Now, if you search for the first name, it's going to bring up your individual conversation with them, like you could see there, but it allows you to continue searching names at that top chat bar there. So you could search for the next name that you want to add to the group chat, and it will just add it right in, as you can see there. I'm continuing to search names, and I just click on that, and it just adds to the group chat. Now, I will say that the person that you are adding to the group chat has to have it enabled in settings for random people to add them to the group chat. Otherwise, their name might not come up in the search bar, and that explains why you might be having issues with that. But there it is, the group chat is created. I sent the first message there, and you could also see if I go to this menu there, it'll show my account as the admin. You could do a bunch of sort of stuff with this chat here if you want to rename it. I'm just going to rename it to my channel just for an example for this video. You could change the headlighter profile if you want to as well. There's so many other different options for group chats to customize them and make them just the way you want them on Twitter. That's pretty much all there is to it though, to creating a group chat on Twitter. There's so much stuff that I didn't get around to covering, but if you did have any questions on it as far as creating the group chat itself or what you need to do when you're inside of the group chat, drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you and help you out with that. Other than that though, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.